Continues coverage of the ongoing short-term rental dispute in Woodland Park. The city's new ordinance, which would heavily limit short-term rentals in city limits, was supposed to go into effect today, but just hours ago, the city announced it would not be enforcing the ordinance as it prepares arguments against a recent court injunction. KRDO 13 investigator Michael Lagerwell is live in Woodland Park to explain. Michael?
Today I spoke to the owner of a short-term rental within Woodland Park city limits, and despite some short-term relief coming this afternoon, she still has long-term concerns about the future of her rental property.
It's frustrating because we're not sure what we're going to do, but I know that we'll figure it out.
KRDO 13 Investigates spoke to Nicole Wagner, who owns one short-term rental property within Woodland Park city limits, located off Pine Street, less than a mile inside a residential zone.
There's a lot of anger because we have done everything legally. We purchased this property. It was legal to short-term rent it. We sunk a lot of money into the refurb, and we got our license. We've paid all the taxes. We've done everything legally correct.
Previously, KRDO 13 Investigates found out the city would enforce the ordinance by not renewing the short-term rental licenses for properties in residential zones that the owner doesn't live at. However, that won't be the case starting immediately in 2025, the city announcing they won't enforce the ordinance while their legal counsel works to prepare arguments against the injunction refiled on the 31st. But the long-term questions are still there.
I don't know what we would have to do. If we would have to look at making it a long-term rental, which might not yield as much income for our family, or we might be forced to sell it and find something else to do.
Now, in a statement, the city said the New Year's holiday played a part in them deciding to temporarily halt the enforcement. As I said, their legal team didn't have time to draft an argument against the injunction that was just refiled today. Reporting live in Woodland Park, Michael Lagerwell, KRDO 13 Investigates.
Michael, thank you. To weather